Hello, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to enable the weather feature in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. If you use Edge regularly, this feature can help you stay informed about local conditions directly from your new tab page. Let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your smartphone. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is the menu icon. Tap on it. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, scroll through the Settings menu until you find the option labeled New Tab Page. Tap on it to proceed. Now, on the New Tab Page settings screen, scroll down slowly until you locate the Weather section. Once there, you will see a toggle switch. It might be turned off by default. Simply tap the switch to turn it on. Finally, return to your new tab in Edge. You should now see the weather displayed at the top or integrated into the newsfeed. That's it. You've successfully enabled the weather feature in Microsoft Edge Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials on this channel. Stay updated, stay informed, and see you in the next video.